Well, the snow and ice has finally melted away, and we're back up into the 60s and 70s. And it's time to get out in the front yard and start working over this garden. What I've done so far, I've been raking the leaves that have blown in here, and then got a bunch of mulch from the store that I'm spreading out, and I like to put the mulch on pretty heavy and cover things and let the flowers and perennials pop up through them. As you can see, the terrestrial orchids are starting to pop up, pushing their way through the mulch. And then I also have a lot of this little plant here. They have little white flowers in them called Stars of Bethlehem, and I have mixed feelings about them. They are real pretty when they bloom, but then after the blooms are gone, they're just this long, straggly, grassy looking thing that takes up and spreads quickly throughout the yard. So I try to pull them where I can and leave some. As you can see, there's patches here and there. But right now, I'm taking the mulch and gently spreading it around the pansies and daffodils so that we can have some nice flowers with a nice little setting there. With some mulch all around them. Like I said, I'd like to mulch heavily. It helps during the summer when we have the really hot months. It helps to keep the moisture in the ground. I've also got some Stella Dior coming up there, which is really pretty. I plan on getting a lot more of that and putting it out here, putting it all through my garden. I do love the Stella Dior flowers. They are very pretty. Some of the pansies didn't quite make it through the winter. I planted them back in October and November. But like I said, we had such a weird winter this year, or hardly any winter. Temperatures have been up in the 60s and 70s, and I've been having to water everything just so that it doesn't dry out. But this is my project for today. It's getting the mulch out, getting it all spread gently around the pansies so that they'll stand out and people will be able to see them as they drive by. I like to have, usually in the summertime after the pansies bloom, I'll put out the rose moss and make a nice little border all around here. Usually takes up about 2 or 3 trays worth from the store. But as you can see, there's another pansy that didn't make it through the winter time because we didn't get enough water. So we have that some years, but hopefully the summer will be good to us and we will have some very pretty flowers out here. But so far, this is my project for today. I try to get out and do a little something in the garden every day, just to stay ahead of things. Got some lavender I planted last year. I don't know if it's going to come up. At that little stump there. We'll see if it comes back this year. But so far, the daffodils are looking good. And we'll get these pansies all nice and trimmed out with some mulch. And hopefully it'll look pretty good. Fortunately, Benji is not out front with me. He does not like to stay put in the front yard, so I let him stay inside and watch from the glass door. One thing I want to point out before I cover it here, this little peony that I transplanted last fall, and you can see the little eyes coming up there. When you plant peonies, you should make sure that you get those eyes just barely below the ground level, and they will do really well. Seems like peonies do well in this area, as long as you keep them watered. And this one is doing pretty good. It was a really big bush last year. I hadn't dug it in about 10 years, so I had to dig it up and divide it and replant it, and looks like it survived. So everything's looking good. And I'm gonna keep spreading the bags of mulch. I think I have about 8 bags out here. Hopefully I won't have to use all 8 in this one garden. We'll see. Okay, I've put, let's see, 6 bags of mulch in this one garden, and I think it makes it look a lot better. Makes the flowers pop. Everything will start growing through it, up through the mulch as the spring goes. And I think this is going to look really good. I'll be planting other flowers later this year in here, and on my iris, I've got black and white iris in here, and more daffodils coming up. And I can't wait for this big patch of terrestrial orchids to pop up and start blooming. It's going to look good this year, I think. Got my gazing ball out there, and then that is the wisteria bush that I trim kind of like a bonsai. Keep it trimmed up and let it bloom, and then all year long I try to keep the vines trimmed back so that they'll look good. Kind of makes it like a giant bonsai. And the flowers are gorgeous when they bloom. Oh, well, I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I'm going to put on the sprinkler to water this garden here in the middle of February. Hopefully it'll help it. Happy gardening.